Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with AFSisterwig. Once again, you know AFSisterwig be bringing the quality wigs, so I'm always excited for a new package from them, and we're gonna get into it. Of course, I see the wig is the first thing I see when I open the package, and then I also got this edge brush and comb. I got a pair of wig caps. I got these pins. I always love getting those. And lastly, this clip. So this is the wig that we're working with for today, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna be rocking this wig for the entire weekend. I'm so happy. This is a 13x6 3D full frontal skin melt lace pre-plucked human hair, guys. This is a loose wave texture and I love it. It's 20 inches long, by the way. 20 inches long. I put the specific density in the description box, but oh my gosh, isn't this gorgeous? I love this wave pattern so much. It's just, oh, and it's a 3D 13x6. So you know what that means? It's not just 3D in the middle portion here, you know, like a lot of the wigs I'll show you guys, and it's just, it has the depth in the middle. No, it's 3D right across, so you can get nice deep parts within any portion of the 13x6 area, on the sides, anywhere. And today I want to do a really nice half up, half down vibe. There's also an adjustable strap inside the cap, as well as 4 combs, and there's also adjustable straps in the back of the wig cap. So that's lovely. This is a Swiss lace, guys. Swiss lace is my favorite out of all laces. It melts like no other. So you know how the regular laces you buy and you can see the grid? When you get a Swiss lace, it's almost invisible. You can hardly see those grids, and that's what makes it even more realistic. AFSisterwigs, they sell the real deal. I've been working with them for a very long time, as you guys know, and the lace is always top tier. You cannot really detect the lace, the Swiss lace, on any skin tone. It blends down well on any skin tone. Also, I forgot to mention to you that it is a medium cap. Oh my gosh, these curls, these waves are so pretty. Alright, so I'm really excited to install this wig. Super excited because it has all the space for me to work with, and I want to do this really nice half up, half down vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the excess on the sides before I even start to glue it down, because we're gonna get it super melted. Okay, I think for today's wig though, because it's so much, like it's really long, I don't want to just go ahead and cut away from the side, so I'm gonna just start the gluing process from the middle here. So I'm gonna kind of like section it up, and I'm gonna glue this portion before I do the sides. I'm just gonna go ahead, you know, fast forward through this. I'm gonna do like 3 layers, because we're gonna be out in the Atlanta sun for like 3 days. And you know, I'm using my Lace Be Gone glue. Alright, so this is what we're working with. It looks really realistic. And before I even move any further with styling, I want to just go ahead and show you guys that you could part this anywhere you feel like, and you have good depth. Like it's a free part. Like you truly have liberty with just styling this however you please. Look at that. You can get a nice deep side part, so I'm loving that. Just elongate the parting. See that? So I just needed you guys to see that. So for my hairstyle, I wanna do like something in the middle here and something at the side here, and kind of like, you know, I've never done this style before, so you know, I'm pretty excited to try it out. So I'm just gonna kind of speed through styling it. Yeah, I'm gonna speed through this portion where I'm styling it. I'm just gonna use my hot comb in combination with my flyaway tamer and the whole works. Let me tell you, doing this part took me a while. Okay, I ended up using elastic bands to do my little partings here, but it's looking good, it's looking cute. It came together. Now I'm just gonna do my swoops right here on the side. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so neat. Tell me that's not a 10. What? AFSisterwigs, they did it again. The texture of this hair is immaculate. Immaculate. Like, what more could I ask for? Like, amazing parting space, and I'm happy I could do this kind of style so I could really show you guys that you could definitely get a nice center part, a nice deep side part, and you could even go lower. That's why I showed you guys how you could part it previously in the previous clip. Guys, as simple as these little parts look, they weren't, especially because especially because I did it by myself. It was a task. My arms, oh my gosh, it was not easy. It was not easy, but it was worth it. The look came out exactly like how I wanted it to. I'm super pleased. The curls, oh my gosh, the volume. The length, everything is perfect, like A1. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. If you're looking for gorgeous hair with amazing quality lace, this 3D Swiss lace front wig is your pick. Trust me, it's beautiful. Minimal shedding. I'll be sure to put the specification in the description box. Shout out to AFSisterwig again for another bomb wig. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for today's wig look. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys, and I can't wait to go ahead and rock it out for the weekend. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.